Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a fingerprint from Touch ID on Mac. So if you have saved a fingerprint that you no longer use or you are planning to register a different finger, you can remove it anytime. This only removes the selected fingerprint from Touch ID and it won't affect your other saved fingerprints. And you can always add a new one later whenever you need. So to add it, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to touch ID and password. Now here in touch ID section, you will see all your saved fingerprints. You can add up to 3 fingerprints. So beyond this, if you want to add one more, first you need to remove one of the saved one. So to remove it, all you just need to take the cursor to the fingerprint you want to remove and then immediately you can see a cross icon right here. Click on it where you need to verify yourself either by touch ID or password. So enter the password here and then click on unlock. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking that are you sure you want to permanently delete the fingerprint? If you are sure, then click on delete and that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint 2 is now deleted and now you can add another fingerprint that you want to add. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.